I'm currently working as a corporate support manager at CDTech. Today we're talking about Run MyVirtual Machine. CDTech and Siemens work together as partner to build an interface between those two products. Run MyVirtual Machine is the actual CNC Siemens control kernel that has been incorporated in a virtualized environment. So it actually runs the real control as on a real machine. We've made this interface to ensure that the simulation you see in Vericut is actually exactly what will happen on a real machine. The connection from Vericut to Run MyVirtual Machine is direct using the communication protocols. Once it's connected, we don't have to do anything. Everything's come directly from Run MyVirtual Machine. All we do is we treat the axis motions and we move our components in Vericut. So that makes our users to be more confident about the simulation. It's not anymore an emulation because they get the real position of the machine like on a real machine. If we have customers who have complex cycles that are made by machine tool builders and these cycles are encrypted, this way can simulate those cycles directly with Run MyVirtual Machine. CDTech and Siemens, the connection between both is seamless. It can today benefit directly to the users. The users are really more confident. They trust the real control and will make exactly the motions on the real machine. That's exactly what we get in Vericut.